Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Avitesh Singh, and my name is Avitesh Singh, and currently I am working with the DevOps Engineering workflow. I am starting here. Hi, my name is Avitesh Singh, and currently I am managing DevOps Engineer tools, and I am managing a
Explain
unique
about your
container
last
management
two
website.
projects.
First, my project is lead generation, and second is Flask app. My first
Describe
project
how
is
you would design and implement a CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins and Git-based repositories to ensure high-quality software delivery, and explain some advanced techniques you may use to optimize deployment frequency.
I am using Kubernetes, Dockerize containers, and CI/CD Jenkins, uh, CI/CD Jenkins with automating tools, and I am working with Sonar Cube and for quality checking, and third is GitLab. And for monitoring purpose, I use Grafana, Prometheus, Loki, and Promptail. And my whole project is based on my automated. The workflow is git push, git commit, sorry, git push, trigger the git, and AWS Docker
Discuss the steps you would
impose
take
the
to deploy and manage a highly available application on the Kubernetes platform EKS, including any specific configurations or optimizations you would make for performance and security.
I am using Kubernetes for my Flask app, which is I use for like multiple ports, and kubectl command for check log, and for checking logging, and I use for my whole project for Kubernetes, with Kubernetes for easy work.
Explain how you would automate infrastructure provisioning and configuration using Terraform or CloudFormation, and what strategies you would use to ensure these infrastructure deployments are repeatable and reliable.
Yeah, mostly I use with help with AI, and I grow my infrastructure like easy to instance, and instant type securities, and generate key, and I hold the code in Terraform file, and I run the Terraform file, and my setup is
How would you
automated
set up a
and
comprehensive
reliable.
monitoring and alerting system using tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and the Elk stack for complex multi-cloud environments, ensuring performance and security metrics are effectively tracked?
Yeah, I using Grafana. First, I use Prometheus and Loki and Promptail, and I create the my dashboard for Grafana, and I choose the which is my system is lag. Yeah, any applications note down. This is my responsibility, and this is my whole workflow with a automating code like Python and Terraform.
Describe your approach to troubleshooting a significant production issue in a complex AWS environment, detailing the tools and strategies you would employ to identify and resolve the problem quickly.
Uh, For troubleshooting, I use like in server ps-l and check the port is not to kill my app. And I use for mostly I use for I use for many command and many tools. First, I troubleshooting like if I saw any error, I check the in my Google's like Stack Flow and ChatGPT, and this is they I saw the problem, and step by step I clear the all troubleshooting my enhanced practice.
Discuss the best practices for implementing DevOps security and compliance within a CI/CD pipeline, focusing on how you would integrate these practices effectively to minimize vulnerabilities.
I don't understand your question. Uh, Please tell me again.
Discuss the best practices for implementing DevOps security and compliance within a CI/CD pipeline, focusing on how you would integrate these practices effectively to minimize vulnerabilities.
I use my Jenkins app, and my all like my code in GitHub, and I generate the link and Jenkins setup for and I push the my GitHub code, and when I click, then my pipeline is start, and the all the workflow in my front of me. I check continue integration and continue delivery like Jenkins, best tool for security.
Explain how you would collaborate with development and operations teams to improve system reliability and deployment processes, and what methodologies you would advocate for to facilitate these improvements.
Don't know what are you saying.
Explain how you would collaborate with development and operations teams to improve system reliability and deployment processes, and what methodologies you would advocate for to facilitate these improvements.
Yeah, I create my environment for the all code in one folder, and my team and I uh, we together find the problem and do the solution. And my team is based on uh, uh, Kafka for together
How would
discussion.
you approach designing and documenting the system architecture for a new infrastructure project, ensuring it aligns with both DevOps best practices and organizational requirements?
Yeah, this is a best practice for the DevOps. First, I choose the my client have a whole the application in local in on premises. Then I automated the whole system. Like first, I push the code GitHub, and then I create my Terraform code, and then I create a server and dockerize images and securities, SS key, and all the project I only one click, and my all the project is live live like nahi live. My workflow
Thank you for the interview.
get push.
Please wait while we process your recording.